guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am using my Christmas vacation kit. This is currently sold out in my shop, but I do have some of the Cindy Lou ones, the essentially these guys, the Grinch ones, which, oh sorry, it's a little overexposed. This one did super well, but I had printed more of that one than I did this one. So there are still some, and those ones are on super sale. I think the mini kit, which is still foiled, is like less than $10. I don't remember exactly what I had listed it at, but there's some good things in that clearance section, okay? I love me some clearance. So we are here. Today is the 19th. I can't believe, I mean, technically, this is all the weekend for me, but we'll do proper. I will be working from home. Let's see if I have used my brain here. I think I am going to take these two. I'm like all over the place, so you're gonna have to excuse me. And I'm just gonna stick these here. These have to be aligned because I'm that type of person that it would drive me crazy. All right, let's get to the regularly scheduled show. Also, I have a new format. I've showed it in my vlog. Also, I did a poll on Instagram between, so this is the new B6 format. So here, see, that's still way overexposed. Yeah, I don't know. There, you can kind of see the hollow. I feel like you can't see it. Maybe I'm just wrong way. I don't know. There's hollow here, and why can't you see that? Maybe because it's so bright. Like, you can see it. And then I have teal as well. And I'm trying to, there you go. You can kind of see the teal that way. So maybe you could see hollow that way too. Yeah, you can kind of see it. You may, well, the fact that it's right, like right there, you can kind of see. So the hollow won, but if you guys really think that teal should win, let me know, because I'm still impartial to the teal because I love it so much. But I mean, hollow, it's like shattered glass-ish hollow. So it's really pretty. So you can't really go wrong either way. Apparently I want every single thing on my finger before I proceed. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing something fun for the holiday. We are spending it with Mike's family this coming Thursday, aka tomorrow. We are going to my family to do Christmas early. So I'm looking forward to that, and I have all the gifts done. It's like one of those things that, you know, you have to wrap gifts. Yesterday I spent time wrapping, and I didn't want to show it in the video just in case I have some peeking eyes. Not that I think his or my family watch my vlogs or anything like that, but I just wanted to be safe than sorry. So I'm putting in my bills because I had 2 credit card payments the same day. I know, first world problems. So Vlogmas, I know guys, I am sorry. It's kind of been terrible for me lately, and I don't know if it's because I have just had like a couple things that I just have to do and I haven't been able to edit. Like, editing before and then going to work was fine, but for some reason this past week, it's like, I think ever since Winter Plannerland, I think I just overdid it, which I'm sure you guys could predict that was probably going to happen. So I decided to kind of combine a couple, and I have done that. Did this just do the traveling nail polish? It's like, or is that from like previously? I don't know. That was red. And I've done some nail videos, so like a lot of things were not ready for me to, you know, be on time. So it's completely my fault. No, I didn't work from home this day. So I'm gonna actually put this, no, because there's that there. I'm gonna do this down here. And then I'll go in and fill in the other areas. Perfect. This may be my favorite scene. I don't know if any of y'all have seen Christmas Vacation. If you haven't, it's a classic and you should. I'm gonna put this guy over here. Or no, a little bit. Let me put him up here. And then we'll come down with this. Okay, so all those are done. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Okay, that's as far as I can go. And let's get this prepped. Okay, so today is Wednesday. So normally I don't have a lot going on Wednesdays, but since I have today off, I'm going to do some shop work. And then we had some, did I just drop that? Sure did. Oh, I just picked that color. Oy vey. I'll use the gray. We had a couple packages come in today, and I ordered one that's supposed to come Friday. So again, we're doing Christmas that day with my family. I have a feeling it's going to be a binge watch Supergirl night because I want to give myself kind of like the night off, so I need to be productive today. So I have a lot of things that I want to get done. I'll use green and blue. I hate that that's like in the middle there. Let me see if I can do this here. Yeah, okay. Abort. We'll do that there. And we'll move these. Okay, perfect. See, crisis averted. Let's see. I hate that I can almost never get those straight. I think I did fine though. Let's, yeah, we'll do this here. And then we'll do this guy right here. Perfect. If I can get it down. Wow, this is like the best my Wednesday has looked, because I'm telling you, like Wednesday for me is like no bueno. Like I never do anything good on Wednesdays. Like it's like a pointless day for me. I'm like, is this day over yet? That's literally how I feel every Wednesday. Okay. I feel like I did a bunch of things yesterday too, and I can't remember. I'm gonna put this guy in right here. And then I went into the office, which I will put in maybe a bigger one. And then I was home. Do I have my work from home like right here? Well, actually I might. Yeah, I may have some of my good stuff. You guys know I'm obsessed, and my next order just shipped and I'm so happy. Yes, this is exactly what I want for right here. I just need to make like my own of those. Yeah, okay. Don't judge me. Where's the little things? Okay. I'll put this up here. No, a little bit down. Abort. Perfecto. Little guy there. Housewives, is Orange County like on a break? I don't know what that's from. Right now, like, do you know if they're done for like the holiday season and then they come back? Let me bring this down even farther. I feel like that good enough? Yeah. Apparently putting down stickers is like a life decision right now. I don't know why it's so hard. There we go. I don't know if that's straight or not, but it's fine. So bills definitely take precedence over working from home. You know, don't judge the fact. I need more of these. I think I bought extra sheets when I think I bought like 3 when I originally got it. But I don't know where they are. I'm sure they're in that other little thing. I think I'm gonna do the fun day off on this one. Let's get off my finger. See, look how easy that is. Like, it looks so cute. And that's kind of what I feel like I'm doing today, which is this. Even though I don't have tests, but like this for all that other, whatchamacallit, all that other work, editing and stuff is like exactly right. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame. So this already happened. So I'm trying to get my life together. I feel like that's super lame to put there because I have that work from home there. Do that for my oil change. I have to get my oil changed, which I'm not even at the mileage, but I'm over a year because, like, you guys know my commute to work is like nothing. So, okay. I'm definitely doing laundry today and probably leftover laundry that I have to do on Thursday, which if you watched my vlog, you would definitely know that is what's happening. Man, I have a lot more stuff than I thought for this day. So maybe I'll just write it in there. I have one more laundry sticker. This needs to move somewhere. Or I just need to do another day of laundry. I think that's going to call it. I'll do this guy up here. And then I'll do a checklist because I had some stuff to do. Again, just prepping for the holiday season, okay? I accidentally ordered Mike a game that his sisters got him. I forgot that, so I had to cancel that real quick. But I think this is it. I feel like this plan with me was a little bit all over the place, but you can tell this hasn't happened yet. Used all the full boxes because I like to set up my kit. I have a little bit of washi and headers, and then, you know, my glitter headers down there, which are like for like the weekend, which I should have done. I didn't even use it as Then some of these left, which I'll probably put on these pages, and then a little bit of functional left. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and healthy holiday, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.